Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2012 Mazda CX-5, stock number 7179. It's ran from the second 2012 to the 12/2016. Has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder 2 diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory mega tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear 17-inch factory mega tyre, left rear boot lid, right hand taillight, right rear 17-inch factory mega tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door 1 light fold, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight needs polish, right front 17-inch factory mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, head AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.